In this video, we're going to show you to install the interior door handle on your Honda Ridgeline located on the driver's side rear door. Behind the door handle here is going to be a little plastic cover. We're going to use our pocket screwdriver. Going to pull this out and go right underneath the bottom of this little plastic cover. Gently twist and pull out. You're releasing the little lock tab here and two on the top. Set that aside. Inside here, it's going to be a couple of Phillips head screws. Loosen and remove these screws. With the screws removed, go ahead and grab this handle, pull that out, and you're going to rotate this. Right on the back side, there is a little clip here that holds onto the cable. Sometimes you can get your finger in there, but I'm going to use my pocket screwdriver. Gently lift up on this clip, and it'll just pivot up out of the way. Then you can pull the cable end out of the back side of the door handle. Has a little 90-degree metal tab on it. And then you can pull the cable right out of the locking mechanism. Simply just grab that with your finger, pull that straight out. Ours is in there pretty good. You can use your pocket screwdriver once again for this to assist you popping that out. Just pops right out of the little groove here. Take your handle. We need to install the cable end here, and this green portion here needs to go into this little groove, and then the 90-degree metal piece here on the cable end will go into the little door latch unit that moves, and then we're going to fold over this white clip to snap it onto the cable to secure it. Okay. Secured. On the back side here, there are two tabs that actually insert underneath the door panel itself. So push those in and then push the handle back. Install your screws. I'm not going to tighten that down yet until we get our second one in. Once they're both started, you can now go ahead and snug those down. Install your little trim panel here. The portion with the little notch in it will go on the bottom. So we're going to install the top first, push it up and in, and then press the bottom in to secure it. And you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.